Oh no.
What happened?
Look at this room.
Wow,
Exactly.
it looks messy.
Very messy.
When did this happen?
Slowly, little by little.
That happens to me too.
I wanted to clean yesterday.
But you didn't.
I watched videos instead.
That sounds familiar.
And now the house looks terrible.
It's not terrible.
Really?
Okay, maybe a little terrible.
Thank you.
I'm just being honest.
Look at the table.
Books, cups, papers.
And socks.
Why are there socks on the table?
I don't know anymore.
This is serious.
Please help me.
Sure,
Really?
of course.
You're a good friend.
I know.
So confident.
Very confident.
Where do we start?
Good question.
The kitchen?
Too scary.
The bedroom?
Also scary.
The living room?
Okay, let's start there.
Good idea.
First, open the window.
Why?
Fresh air helps.
Oh, that feels nice.
See,
The room already feels better.
small changes help.
That's true.
Okay, let's clean step by step.
Step by step.
Don't think too much.
I think too much all the time.
I noticed.
Hey.
I'm joking.
Okay, teacher.
First, pick up trash.
Easy enough.
Empty bottles go here.
Old papers too?
Yes.
What about this candy wrapper?
Trash.
This receipt?
Trash.
This magazine?
Them.
You have no idea.
Keep it for now.
You're not helping.
I'm trying.
Okay, trash bag ready.
Nice.
Wow,
What?
the floor is appearing.
Amazing.
I forgot the floor was brown.
That's funny.
Wait,
What now?
I found money.
Really?
$10.
Cleaning is rewarding.
Maybe I should clean more often.
Definitely.
Okay, what's next?
Put things back in the right place.
Ah, yes, the hard part.
Clothes go in the closet.
Or on the chair.
No,
The chair holds everything.
that's not a chair anymore.
It's a clothing mountain.
Exactly.
Fine, I'll fold the clothes.
Good job.
Folding clothes is boring.
But satisfying.
A little.
I like clean spaces.
Me too.
Then why is your room like this?
Life is busy.
Fair answer.
Also, I'm lazy sometimes.
Honest answer.
Very honest.
Here, I'll clean the table.
Thank you.
Why do you have 3 coffee cups here?
Those are from different days.
Different days?
Don't judge me.
I'm trying not to.
Cleaning is hard after work.
I understand.
Sometimes I just want to sleep.
Same.
And weekends go too fast.
Too fast.
1 minute it's Saturday morning.
Then suddenly it's Monday.
Exactly.
Adult life is strange.
Very strange.
Okay, wipe the table.
With this cloth.
Yes,
It's dusty.
very dusty.
Achoo.
Bless you.
Thanks.
You okay?
Yeah, dust attacks me every time.
Dust is dangerous.
Tiny little enemies.
We must fight them.
Brave soldiers.
Very brave.
This is more fun with you here.
Cleaning alone is boring.
Much more boring.
Music helps too.
Good idea.
Put on your favorite song.
Okay.
Oh, I like this song.
Me too.
Now we clean faster.
I suddenly have energy.
Music magic.
True.
Vacuum time.
I hate vacuuming.
Why?
The noise.
It is loud.
Very loud.
But look at the carpet after.
Okay, that does look nice.
Clean floors feel good.
They really do.
Want me to vacuum?
Please.
Deal.
I'll clean the shelves.
Good teamwork.
Wow, there's so much dust here.
Dust flies everywhere.
I found an old photo.
Let me see.
Look how young we were.
We still look young.
That's kind.
It's true.
We looked happy.
We were happy.
We still are.
Just more tired now.
Much more tired.
But wiser.
Maybe.
Definitely wiser.
Cleaning brings back memories.
It does.
I found old movie tickets too.
Oh wow.
That was such a fun night.
We laugh so much.
I miss those days.
We can still make new memories.
That's true.
Don't get emotional now.
Too late.
Oh,
I'm okay.
need a break?
Maybe a small one.
Let's drink some water.
Good idea.
Cleaning is exercise.
My arms already hurt.
Same.
Maybe this is my workout today.
It counts.
Definitely counts.
Okay, ready again?
Ready.
Kitchen next.
I'm scared.
Me too.
Let's do it quickly.
Wow,
I know.
there are so many dishes.
Please don't count them.
100.
Stop.
Okay, maybe 20.
Still bad.
We can do this.
I'll wash.
I'll dry.
Teamwork again.
Exactly.
Washing dishes is relaxing sometimes.
Really?
Warm water helps me relax,
Interesting.
but only for 5 minutes.
Then it becomes annoying.
Exactly.
Use soap carefully.
Why?
Last time you dropped a plate.
We don't talk about that.
It was dramatic
The plate slipped.
and exploded.
It was one plate.
A beautiful plate.
Please move on.
Okay, okay.
Thanks.
Your kitchen actually looks nice now.
Really?
Yes, much cleaner.
That makes me happy.
Clean spaces change your mood.
I feel calmer now.
Me too.
Maybe cleaning is good for mental health.
I think so.
A clean room feels peaceful.
Exactly.
I can finally breathe.
And think clearly.
That's true.
Okay, last task.
What is it?
Taking out the trash.
I knew it.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Fine.
Ready?
Ready.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yes, I won.
Newell.
Good luck outside.
It's dark out there.
Be brave.
If I don't come back.
Stop being dramatic.
Okay, I'm going.
Thank you.
I'm back.
Alive.
Barely.
So dramatic.
Very dramatic.
Wow.
What?
The house looks amazing.
It really does.
I feel so much better now.
See, cleaning helps.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime.
Next time, I'll clean earlier.
I hope so.
No more sock table.
Please no more sock table.
Deal.
You know what?
What?
We should reward ourselves.
Pita.
Pizza.
Best idea today.
Cleaning first. Pizza second.
Perfect balance.
I'm proud of us.
Me too.
And your English is getting better too.
Really.
Yes, listening to simple conversations helps.
I learn a lot from daily English.
Small conversations are important.
Real English is everywhere.
Exactly.
Thanks for practicing with us.
Keep listening every day.
Don't be afraid to speak English.
Simple English is powerful.
And mistakes are okay.
Just keep practicing.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.